Well, how a microburst forms, first we have rising motion into the atmosphere that's forming the first stage of a thunderstorm. So it's moving from a cumulus cloud into a towering cumulus cloud as this cloud continues to move into the upper atmosphere. So rain falls in the next phase, and in this phase we have rising motion. So this is an updraft of the storm, or it's breathing in, and then you also have the storm breathing out in this phase. That's the downdraft portion of the storm. So we have rain now, maybe some small hail, gusty wind within this cumulonimbus cloud. Well, when it reaches its dissipation phase, this is often when the storm can be the most dangerous. You have rushing motion towards the ground. You don't really have much of an updraft or breathing in motion of the storm anymore. It's just breathing out, and with that, those winds are usually pushing towards the ground the strongest within where the rain and the hail is. So this rushing motion towards the ground is where we find those microbursts occurring. So how do we know that a microburst is occurring? We can tell by the way that the damage path occurs from the debris on the back side of the storm. So after the storm has passed, we see that the damage or the debris is spread out like straight line wind damage in the same direction that the wind is blowing if a downburst or a microburst occurred. And we know that this is not tornado damage, because with tornado damage, the debris is spread the same way that the rotation occurs, so cyclonically or counterclockwise from the tornado. So that's how we know that this microburst damage was not a tornado that occurred Sunday night in the Pawleys Island, Litchfield, Murrells Inlet area.